Hey everybody, quickly give me 2 minutes of your attention and I will show you an awesome CI/CD pipeline. So I have here my little Node.js project and I want to change this message that it's outputting from hello world to hello world. And I'm just committing this on the GitHub UI, and this in the background is triggering a CI/CD pipeline actually that I have here in GitHub Action, which consists of 2 steps, a prepare step and the Docker build step. And once these steps are done, actually once the build step is working, it will upload a Docker container into this little GitHub container registry here with a couple of tags. Like I have here a version tag and I have a date time tag, and all of that gets then deployed to my Keptn instance, where it will then also output something like a Slack message and something else. So here I'm on my dev stage hosted by my Keptn instance. I'm just showing you the old deployed version hello world without the comma and without the exclamation mark, and I should get a Slack message any second now telling me that the deployment has passed in the dev stage. This is all handled by Keptn in the background, so I'm not doing anything from GitHub except for triggering Keptn itself. There we go. We got the deployment for the dev stage and we're clicking the link and we got hello comma world exclamation mark, and we should also get the deployment in the QA stage as we speak. There it is. Here we go. I've deployed it to dev, I've deployed it to QA, and I could have deployed it anywhere else. This is all done by Keptn. You see the sequence is running here now. I can run tests at the same time, evaluations, whatever. It's all in there. So yeah, if you're interested in how I actually did that, I will create a full video series. Please leave a comment below if you're interested, like and subscribe. Goodbye.